Why didn't you wait for the ANC conference that is coming up? Why didn't you wait for the February budget before making this decision?
Well, we've been watching, the fiscal and the growth story in South Africa really deteriorate for quite a while. And having looked at the latest MTBPS, it was clear that it's really very hard for them to turn the fiscal ship around. Basically, what we've seen is very weak GDP growth, which has led to a further deterioration of South Africa's public finances beyond our expectations. And we could wait for the conference and the budget, but our view was that it would be very hard for them to turn it around. And really, we're in a new broadly new fiscal trajectory now.
Ravi, if South Africa decided to do what you would like it to do, i.e. the February budget gets ripped up, it gets rewritten, it starts to maybe put some of the pieces in place, how long would it take South Africa to get back on the right trajectory? You say we're in a different kind of paradigm now. How long would it take to get back into a better paradigm?
Well, I think at the heart of the problem is the very poor growth story. We've seen per capita GDP go down, actually, on a per-head basis over the last few years. So it's a really case of them pushing through reforms which would actually turn around the growth story. And then, we could see the dynamics and the debt story change on of that. But for a few years now, we haven't seen that. Instead, growth has been really very weak. And weaker than our expectations at times. And the question is whether they'll be able to do this turnaround on the growth story.